big guy.
That's like all that I in the corner. Whoops!
One of Grandpa's favorite animals. I love tigers. Yeah. The Bengal and the Sumatra tiger. Face. We found the whale. His name's Paco. Yeah. His name's Paco.
Little cheeks are in here. Oh, little friend wants to come with me.
My best friend's favorite animal are dolphins, so she'll definitely love this picture I sent her.
The ball in the water. No.
Oh no, there's a ball.
Yeah, what is it? It's Paco.
Yeah. I can't.
Can you see that?
You don't like it.
The sunset in the water is so
It's
pretty.
private.
Right?
Oh my gosh. So cute.
They're waiting for you to fall off the
They don't eat people. They actually love people. Gabriel, will a dolphin hug you? Gabriel, will a dolphin hug you?
I mean, if you really want them to, you can.
Nika, you see it, Gabby? He's coming.
Yeah.
Georgie, Georgie, hurry up.
Go.
He's coming.
Yeah. Let's go.
Georgie. Take a video.
Give me back my hat.
Look at it. Look at the tiger.
My God.
Wow. Avo.
Baba, will it eat us?
Wow.
Baba, will it eat us?
Yeah. Huh? Whoa. He found his ball.
Take me with you. Take me with you.
CJ the Moog.
CJ.
I don't know why his water's so green.
Oh, you're so cute. Little squish.
Can I throw it?
Marry me,
No, I'm
CJ.
gonna do that.
Who will eat it?
Maybe she's ahead of us.
He looks like Hemi.
Wow. What a tiger.
Well, you have to give him back to the jungle.
I think that's what they do.
But this is not where it lives. Well, it has to stay here.
Yeah, it's good.
Dad, he's drinking the water. No, I'm scared. No.
There are 5 subspecies of tigers,
I want it.
and they're all endangered. White tiger doesn't belong to subspecies of laser tiger. You can, but no, there's not.
Tiger!
They're going. How many of them are there?
This cute.
Where did the zookeeper go? They don't care that they fight? It's not a fighting time. It's a kissing time. It's a making up time for them. You know who's a Tasmanian devil? The guy from the Looney Tunes. He runs away. Huh? The one that's crazy. Like,
Oh yeah. Are these babies?
no.
Will they bite me if I go in there right now?
Yes. They'll eat your cheeks. That's their ears turn red when they get upset.
Oh look, they're splitting it.
Oh, here we
Oh.
see it's mooks. No, girl and boy.
Who's calling them this?
Oh, maybe they're brothers. That's not good though. They should be breeding them. They're endangered.
Maybe there's a girl too. You just missed them fighting over it. Oh no, they finally learned to
Little mooks. Little mook with cheeks. Oh, little mook. Little mook. Oh, those are sharkies. Mommy, thank you for keeping me. Oh, sharkies.
Look at these baby bunnies that
I'm gonna read this. Look at the intelligence in their eyes, Mom. He's such a cutie. He has such a cute face. That's his mantle.
Does he love me?
His eyes are so intelligent.
When my dad and I took a trip to San Diego to tour the school I'm going to, we saw them just right there, like right next to us, and there were hundreds of them at night talking to each other. It was so magical. Yeah, and there were babies, tiny babies at La Jolla. Yeah. At the beach. Yeah.
I'm taking a video of it.
So we just stood there and talked to each other for 21 hours.
I like.
Lincoln. Why are you going like that?
They're the cutest. Right, Dora?
Like the mushroom.
Yeah, they're so cute. Look at Annie.
I see it. You're making a dodger. Are they really?
They're so beautiful. Dora?
So pretty. You can get.
Great big grass.
Yeah, you can make your own nest.
For my foot?
Yes.
They live in a dirty pond.
It's not dirty
Yes, it is. Look how they covered it.
because it's algae, which is all natural.
Oh, that's all natural.